Hey y'all, welcome back to another video on my channel. It's your girl Carol the Diva. Today I'm going to be reviewing a wig from this company called QVR. I've never reviewed any hair for them before, so this is definitely my first time. As usual guys, I'm going to check the box to see what they sent with the wig. Here we have an elastic band for the edges, but I'm not going to be needing it today and you'll see why. They also sent me this edge brush, which I'm not going to be using either. And this is the wig, you guys. I just cannot get over how beautiful this color is. Another thing I really love about it is how silky it feels, and you'll see when I put it on. The wig comes with 2 clips in the sides and 1 in the bottom of it, or the back of it. There's none in the top, and it's a 4x4 lace closure wig. I want to say it's about a 12-inch wig, but I'm not 100% sure, so I will get the correct length for you guys and put it in the description box. The only thing I really wish this wig has an elastic band in it, because it's a glueless wig. Yes guys, it's a glueless wig, no glue needed today. I'm gonna go ahead and add some bronzer on my stocking cap, because as you can see the edges look really light, and so we want it to look a little bit darker so it doesn't peek through under the wig. As for the lace on the wig, I'm going to be using some lace tint mousse on it, and I found this one on Amazon. I'll link it down below just in case you guys are interested. So I put some of it on the brush, and then I used the brush to apply it onto the wig like you see me doing here. This is actually my first time using the mousse, and this is how I apply it. Maybe there's another way of doing it, but this works for me, so that's how I do it. Now I'm going to go ahead and try the wig out just to see what it looks like. Y'all, I was absolutely feeling myself at this point, so don't mind me, don't go talk about me. I was feeling myself, I couldn't help it, okay? Anyway, I feel like I look crazy, but I was absolutely loving how the hair feels, and that's the reason why you see me there playing with it. I certainly look like a crazy woman here, but I was just really enjoying the way the hair feels. And as you can see, without any glue, no gel, nothing holding it on, it looks so good and in place. Now I'm gonna go ahead and apply some edge wax stick on it. This is just gonna smooth it out so it look a little bit better before I flat iron it. And if you know me, when I'm applying this edge wax stick, I just rub it into the middle of my hand or the palm of my hand and then rub it all over the hair. I like to apply it this way better than putting it directly on the hair. At this point, it's looking gorgeous. It's so bouncy. It has so much body. I absolutely love the way it is, but I have to flat iron it because I want it to look even better. So I took it back off, put it on my wig block so I could flat iron it, and I'm gonna be going through it in sections. Now I'm gonna go ahead and put it back on for the very last time just to see what it looks like now that it's nicely straightened. Y'all, when I say I love this wig, I am not kidding. Like, I am so in love with it. But you don't know how we do it. I'm gonna go do my makeup and I will be back to show you guys the finished look. And here we are guys, look at it, look at it. It is looking so beautiful. I was feeling myself wearing this wig. I don't know if it's the color, I don't know if it's the length, I don't know if it's the texture, I don't know what it is, but something about this wig is just making me feel like a boss. Like I said, guys, it's my first time working with this company, but it's definitely so worth it because the quality of their hair is so amazing. Y'all, if you have a Christmas party to go to or just going to see the lights out in the town, going to visit family members, this wig will definitely have some heads turning. Wearing this wig, you're gonna stand out, and I think it's because of the ombre color that it has. It is just so gorgeous. Also, if you want to see my entire outfit, definitely check out my TikTok. I'm gonna be posting it there. And as for the makeup that I'm wearing, I did like a little Christmas holiday makeup tutorial, and I will be posting it after this video, so definitely check it out. I post on Wednesdays and Saturdays, so make sure you tune in on those days to get my videos. If I don't post on those days, something's going on with me, you know what I'm saying? It's life. But yeah, all the information for this wig will be down in the description box, so make sure you check that out. The length, details, you know, everything, the website, discount code, everything will be in the description box, so definitely make sure you check that out. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, if I left anything out, definitely leave me a comment and I will make sure to get back to them as soon as I possibly can. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. I would really appreciate that. Also, if this is your first time on my channel, I would love it if you would subscribe and hit the notification bell so you will be notified whenever I post a new video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!